Please like and subscribe to our channel to keep in touch with our constant updates. Hello and welcome to our video on baby-proofing your home, tips and advice. As parents, ensuring the safety of our little ones is always a top priority. In this video, we'll be discussing some essential tips and advice on how to baby-proof your home and make it a safe environment for your baby to grow and explore. 1. Assess the home environment. Before you start baby-proofing your home, take some time to assess the environment. Start by getting down on your hands and knees and crawling around the house to see things from your baby's perspective. Look for any potential hazards such as sharp corners, loose wires, or small objects that can be choking hazards. 2. Install safety gates. Safety gates are a great way to keep your baby away from areas of the house that are not safe for them. Install safety gates at the top and bottom of stairs, as well as in any rooms that contain hazards such as cleaning products or electronics. 3. Secure furniture. Tall and heavy furniture such as bookcases or dressers can pose a risk to your baby if they fall over. Secure all furniture to the wall using brackets or anchors to prevent any accidents. 4. Cover electrical outlets. Electrical outlets are a big safety concern for babies as they are often at eye level and easily accessible. Cover all electrical outlets with outlet covers or safety plugs to prevent your baby from sticking their fingers in them. 5. Store medicines and cleaning products safely. Medicines and cleaning products should be stored safely out of reach of children. Keep them in cabinets with child-proof locks or in high places that are inaccessible to your baby. 6. Use window guards. 7. Windows can be dangerous for babies if left open or unsecured. Install window guards to prevent your baby from falling out of open windows. 8. Check for potential choking hazards. Small objects such as coins, marbles, or toys with small parts can be choking hazards for babies. Make sure to check the house regularly for any small objects that your baby could put in their mouth. That's it for our video on baby-proofing your home, tips and advice. By following these simple tips, you can make your home a safe place for your baby to explore and grow. Remember, baby-proofing is an ongoing process, so always be vigilant and keep an eye out for potential hazards. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.